Here's another example of word problems on multiplication and division of fractions. In this question, we have that a farmer has 2/3 of an acre of land planted with wheat. Now, if she harvests 3/4 of the wheat, how many acres of wheat will she harvest? That is, of the land, she has only used 2/3. Now she harvests 3/4 of this 2/3. So let's solve it. Solution. To find the amount she would harvest, that is, we are looking at 3/4 of 2/3. And this means we have 3/4 multiplied by 2/3. And easy to see that 3 here 1, 3 here 1. And then 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So our final answer is 1/2. That is, by harvesting 3/4 of the wheat she has planted, she has only harvested half of the entire field. Thank you.